Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kudus Tushar. Our course is Risk and Resilience Engineering. It is PBHL 5002 2024 Term 3. So what is our course timetable? Means when we need to conduct the tutorials and workshop. If we look, the tutorial will be conducted on each Wednesday. It will start from 3rd of July and the tutorial will be conducted on hybrid method, on face-to-face or either online. For the face-to-face, you have to come to the building B, room number 328. The tutorial will be conducted from 8 to 10 a.m. It will be very helpful for you to attend the face-to-face. Even you can attend online. It will not be a problem. As per the requirement, you can do that. And the workshop will be conducted on each Monday, starting from the 1st of July. And it will be for your convenient time because we are considering the master's course students. So it will be held from 4 to 5 p.m. online session. What is our assessment task? Actually, our assessment task is very important for our course. There are 3 assessment tasks. One is assessment task 0.01. It's a report, means you have to identify the risk, and after identifications, how you will manage it and how the quantifications of the risk will prioritize the risk, and this risk management will be applied to mitigate the risk. It's 20% of the marks, so assessment task 1 is very important. It's just the start. Assessment task 2, it is 40% of the total marks. Assessment task 2 will be held on forum discussion part. I will show you how to attend the forum discussion part, and here you have to contribute it. The word limit is 600 words, but each week you have to attend the forum discussion part. And there is a creating of the forum and the discussion. There is a thread, you can create it. And assessment task 2.1 is risk contents and identification. Assessment task 2.2 is control of risk. Assessment task 2.3 is resilience. And assessment task 2.4 is safety culture. And the last one, this is the assessment task 03. It is the reflective writing. Whatever you have learned from this course, you have to apply that, and for this 40% of marks. Altogether, it is 100% of the marks. What will be our unit content? Our unit actually content of the 6 modules. Module 1 will be introduction to risk. Module 2 is the risk management. Module 3 is the resilience engineering. Module 4 is the safety and safety culture. Module 5, risk and resilience management practice. And module 6 is the governance and overflow. Now I want to introduce you the course that you will be taught here. For your course, most important part is the unit content. If you go to the unit content, here is the unit content. You have total 7 unit content. First one is the unit orientation and welcome. And the second one, module 1, introduction to risk. First 2 we will cover in the first week. Module 2 is the risk management. Module 3 is the resilience engineering. Module 4 is the safety and safety culture. Module 5 is risk and resilience management practice. So all together, this course are here, that are the unit content. And now, unit content is very important because in the unit content, you can see what are the module overview, what is the things, what is the risk resilience and other things, means everything has a clear description of it. Okay, now this is the unit content. Second part, assessment, because your assessment is very important. Assessment, you have 3 assessment. I have already mentioned. Assessment task 1, there is a assessment 1 submission portal has been created. You have to create a report 1000 words with 20% variations. There is a due time. You have to complete it within the due time. Now, if I come to the assessment general information, there is the HT. HT is 85% and above. Distinction is 75 to 84. Credit is 65 to 74%. Pass is 50 to 64%. Now, if I go to the assessment overview, that has been mentioned in the unit outline. Now, if you go to the assessment to discussion board, there we have produced a assessment to similarity check. You can check the similarity of the report and submit it in the forum discussion part. Now go to the assessment task discussion again. There is the assessment 3 reflective writing. Here you can submit your assessment 3 and that will be very important for your submission. Now come to the discussion board. We have created the discussion board for you. Assessment task 2.1, risk, context and identifications. You have to click the risk, content and identification and you have to create the thread. If you create the thread, then a discussion will come where you can put your discussions and from there others will be able to see the others discussions and contribute that what is the limitations and what is the benefit, advantages and disadvantages of their discussion forum. And all this discussion forum will be graded weekly. So it's a very organized course. Everything has been organized in very sequence. It will not be problem for you. And I hope definitely you will enjoy this course, because through this course, we will teach you the very basics of the project management. I have been involved in many projects. I have considered the calculations of the financial calculations and the economic and environmental appraisals. All the things has been performed. So through this course, I think as a project manager, you will be able to contribute in any organization, any industry, and after completing that course, you will be able to complete a project to identify the risk for the project, and you can give the possible solutions to the resilience engineering. Thank you. That's the overall of our course, and I hope you will enjoy that course. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.